If apps and games application is missing on your Chromebook, then this video is for you. Hey, in this video, I will show you how you can fix the issue. So with that being said, let's get started. For that, first of all, simply update your Chromebook to the latest Chrome OS version. Click on launcher icon, open settings. Here click on about Chrome OS and click on check for updates and install the available update on your device. Once done, click on launcher icon and look for apps and games application. This is the official app store for your Chromebook. Here you will get all the optimized apps and games for your Chromebook. However, if this application is missing, then you can easily install it. For that, open Google Chrome browser and visit discover.apps.chrome. Don't worry about the link. I'll provide the link in the description box. Simply visit the link and here on the address bar, you'll find install button. Click on it, click on install, and here we have the apps and games application. You can open it from the app launcher. Click on app launcher icon and here you will find the apps and games application. Click to open it. Now select the application you want to install and here we get the option to install the application. So that's for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.